Well, new tonight, Brooklyn Park says it is the first city in the state to approach mental health with an alternative response team.
It is a licensed social worker teamed up with a paramedic so that both mental and physical needs are met. Fox 9's Karen Scullin joining us live now. So Karen, there's even more to this, right?
Yeah, they're pretty excited about this around here. It is a pilot program that has a paramedic and a licensed social worker either working alone as a team or sometimes side by side with police. And we're told so far this is a huge success. When a 911 call comes in, Brooklyn Park Police may not be the ones to respond, and the chief says that's a good thing.
I can honestly say the police officer is not the best person to provide the appropriate resources and care for somebody that's suffering from mental health issues.
So if the call is not violent and doesn't involve weapons or a crime, it's likely the alternative response team will be dispatched. Call examples for the social worker paramedic team might include social service needs, substance abuse concerns, trespassing, indecent exposure, self-harm, a welfare check, or low-level mental health concerns, like a parent struggling with an adult child suffering with a mental health crisis.
They called us out, we came out and were able to talk with the child, talk with the parent, talk about the resources that are available in the community, and kind of help them think through what their options are at least.
In the past, police would respond to about 20 of these type calls a week and spend on average about 35 minutes at each call. Now, the new team can respond and spend more time and really drill down to the needs of the person struggling. Should it become dangerous, the team has a radio that's on the same channel with police.
In this role, I actually have a radio that's connected directly to the Brooklyn Park Police. They're nearby, they know exactly where I am. I'm much safer in this role than I have been in any role I've had as a social worker up until now.
The pilot program has been in effect since December. It's planned for 2 years, but indications are it could become permanent before that.
Today I can tell you the number one thing that I hear from our patrol officers is, when are the hours expanding? When are we getting a second unit? That is how they feel about it.
Right now, the team works Monday through Friday, just 10 to 5. Obviously, the police thinking that's not enough, so indications are that this program could expand in the near future. We're live in Brooklyn Park. Karen Scullin, Fox 9.
All right, thank you, Karen.